Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can create an account in the Metropolitan Bank and Trust Company. Now for you to do that, make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Once a web browser opens up on your screen, on the search bar type in Metropolitan Bank and Trust Company and then hit the search button. Once you hit the search button, you will be redirected to another page. Now on this page, simply click on this first link. After you click on the first link, you will be on the home page of the Metrobank. Now on this page, on the top right corner, you'll see this login button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, choose this Metrobank online option. After you click on that option, this pop-up will appear. Just close it and the login page will be appeared on your screen. Now if you have your credentials, just simply fill in your username, password and click on this login button. However, if you want to sign up or create an account, simply find this sign up button and click on it. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to another page. On this page, click on this proceed to sign up option. Now after that, you will have to fill in some details. Fill in all these details such as your username, your password, re-enter this password here. You'll have to fill in your first name. If you have a middle name, fill that in here. Your last name and a nickname which can be used on your credit card. Now you'll have to fill in your account number, your account alias, your phone number. If you are from outside Philippines, simply click on this option and choose your country. And then you will have to fill in your email address here. Once you fill in all these details, simply tick on this option and then click on this next button. Once you click on that next button, you will have to finish all of these steps to register to the Metrobank. And once you fill in all these steps and if all your login credentials and your validities are correct, your account in the Metrobank will be created. I hope this video helped you to create an account on Metrobank. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. And do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.